In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to request for Fairmoney debit card. So for you to be able to request for Fairmoney debit card, all you just have to do is just log into your Fairmoney account. Then on this page, after you have verified all your details, you're gonna see where you have transfer, add money, cards and bills. The next thing you're gonna do is just click on cards. Then this page will load like this, that congratulations, you are eligible for the Fairmoney debit card. So pay only just 1,000 naira plus delivery to get your debit card. You can see your transaction are 100% safe and secure. You are in total control. Spend where you want, freeze or unfreeze your card at any time. And if you swipe left, you can see payment just got easier. Withdraw from any ATM in Nigeria and make POS an online purchase, or with your Fairmoney ATM card, and also earn while you spend. You can earn up to 2% cash back, up to 500 naira monthly. That is quite amazing. So all you just need to do, once you have got that, just click on get my card. Then you can see right here, pick up from a Fairmoney agent today, only in Lagos for now. So if you are in Lagos, you can actually pick up from their agent, which is pick up and start transacting immediately. And then for the other states, you can see get it delivered to your doorstep, a personalized card with your name on it. Delivery takes up to 10 working days. So if you are okay with the second option, just click on that. Then the page will load like this, where they request for your details. So your home address, state you live in, cities you lived in, closest notable landmark, local government area, then your phone number, which is alternative phone number that they can actually reach out to you. Then once you fill in all these options, then click on proceed, and they can charge the money from your debit card or from your Fairmoney account balance, and then they will get in touch with you after the 10 days, or once the ATM card is available. Their delivery agents will actually contact you, and then you will be able to get the ATM card. And if you are from Lagos, you can click on only this first option. Then you can enter your state and your city, then you can click on proceed. And this one actually more faster because it's within Lagos and their office is also in Lagos, so you can get it between 2 or 3 days within their reputable agent. So that's how you can get the Fairmoney debit card.